Hey guys, in today's video I wanted to share with you guys some really cool tips to improve on what some people may call dark mode for iOS, Smart Invert. Now I'm going to show you a few tricks to make this experience a lot better, because when Apple announced dark mode for Mac, I've been using it and it is amazing. So there's a few tricks in iOS 12 that you can do to improve upon the Smart Invert option and give you more of a dark mode experience. The first thing you want to do is go to General, Accessibilities, Display Accommodations, and then Invert. Now right here is where you find Smart Invert, but the thing with Smart Invert is it doesn't really change a whole lot, okay? So it gives you these gray or whitish colors in between the lines, as you can see here, in between all the settings. It's not really a dark mode. You still get all these white colors in between all the settings, as you can see there, kind of grayish colors, and it just kind of interrupts the experience. But there's really one cool tip that allows you to get rid of that, and reduce white point is the option. You see right there all the gray colors in between the menus. That also translates to the entire OS. So just tap on this here, boom, completely dark. Now you don't see nothing in between the lines. Everything is dark. You have to make sure this is at 100%. And it also helps with all the menus within iOS. And check out the control center. How cool it looks with this effect on. It looks really, really awesome. It gives you this really cool control center as well. As we go here to the widgets, you see that it gives you a truly dark mode widget with this effect enabled as well. And on the lock screen, of course, with this really awesome wallpaper that is available for the Mac, which I'll link down below, completes the experience. At least for me it does. It gives me a better user experience at night with this reduced motion or reduced white points enabled right here within the iOS accessibility features under display accommodation. So check it out. Just wanted to share this one with you guys. I thought you guys may want to know about this because dark mode is just so cool. It's available on the Mac. Apple hopefully will soon bring it to iOS. But until then, hopefully this works. Hope you guys enjoy this tip, and I'll see you real soon. Peace.